BTC USDT 5-minute time frame. Sell here. Book your profit. Again, sell here. Book profit. Sell signal. First take profit done. Second take profit done. Third take profit done. Buy here. Sell here. Buy here. Book your profit. Amazing profit done. Sell here. Small book profit done. Buy here. Book your profit. Sell signals. Book your profit. Second take profit done. Third take profit done. Buy here. Second take profit done. Sell here. Book your profit. Second take profit done. Buy here. Sell here. Book your profit. Buy here. Book profit. Second take profit done. Sell signals. Book your profit. Buy here. Book your profit. Second take profit done. Sell here. Buy here. Second take profit done. The market is moving sideways, but look at how smoothly the signals. Sell signal, book profit, and look at that. This indicator name is Next Level 5102025. This indicator works on all markets like stock, Forex, crypto, Indian market, etc. This indicator works on all time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. This indicator is 100% non-repaint. You can see it. This indicator win rate is 99.9%. Do you want to get this indicator? Contact on my WhatsApp.